Struggling with stubborn nail fungus? You're not alone. Many experience this frustrating issue. But here's the secret. Lasting relief might come from a powerful duo. Meet Kerassentials, a natural antifungal oil blend. It's designed to tackle fungus right at the source. But that's not all. DigestSync, a gut support formula, plays a crucial role too. Together, they create a formidable 1-2 punch. Kerassentials works on the outside. It targets and clears away the fungus. Meanwhile, DigestSync focuses on the inside. It strengthens your microbiome and boosts your immune system. Now let's connect the dots. Did you know that gut health is linked to nail health? When your gut is balanced, your body functions better, including your nails. Traditional topical solutions often fall short. They may provide temporary relief, but don't address the root cause. That's where this dynamic duo shines, delivering both visible results and lasting protection. If you want a natural approach to clearer nails and overall health, look no further. This combination could be your blueprint for success. Don't wait any longer, take action now. Explore Kerassentials and DigestSync today for healthier nails and a happier you. Check out my blog at fitfifusion.com for more details.